Let's wait for the judge to rule. But was I wrong? I said to this country in the ad hoc, and the MKP and the ANC and the Action SA, they came at me as if I stole something. I said to them, Vusikat Matlala is too small to be a cartel boss. I mean, I've watched a little bit of Narcos. I know what a cartel boss looks like. This is a criminal. This is a thug. This is a guy who's criminally inclined, who's made some money, but not enough money to be called a cartel boss. However, looking at the amounts paid to Vusikat Matlala, I'm telling you, up my head on the block, this man was paid money, state money, tax money, your tax money, which he had to withdraw and pay certain politicians. I think one of them is in the dock with him. I won't mention the name. So, what I'm saying is that in terms of what is happening, what has happened and what must still happen, Masemola won't be the last arrest. There's going to be a lot more. I believe that you can't separate Masemola, Mkhwanazi, and Khumalo. I do not believe you can. I think it's
so. That's the same WhatsApp group.
Same WhatsApp group. Remember, I said it in Parliament. Matlala couldn't hand himself a tender. He had to be assisted. Huh? I also said Matlala could not pay himself. He had to be assisted. Then it emerges that the IDAC had warned the National Commissioner, Mkhwanazi's bra, Kat Matlala might receive this tender. Did he act on it? No, he didn't. Then Kat Matlala is awarded the tender. Does he act on it? No, he doesn't. Then the payments start. Does he act on the payments? He emails Kat and says, you need to give me reasons why I shouldn't cancel this tender. Sibu, if I steal your car and one of these fine gentlemen lays a charge or tells you here's the car, are you sending me an email or are you pulling up there with 50 heavily armed policemen?
I'm definitely pulling up.
That's what the National Commissioner needs to explain to us. However, here's the part where the cookie does crumble. Who comes into office in June last year? Senzo Mchunu. What does he do? But he does it quietly. He flags the tender. He says, cancel this. When he cancels that, he becomes the target of very powerful generals. Those same generals call the press conference where they make allegations against him, where they come and sit in the ad hoc committee and make allegations against him. They've spoiled the legacy of a good man trying to do the right thing. And
so Mr. Senzo Mchunu is a good man?
I believe he's a good man. I believe he's a more than decent man. You know, in a country where apparently everybody's got corruption scandals hanging over them.